Hello and welcome to this in real life S15 and channel update type video thing. Anyway, as you'll see, I've slightly damaged my front bumper and I'm really gutted about it because it's the first time I've ever damaged my own car. So I'm super gutted. It was when I was leaving my garage, and it's like a single lock-up garage underground, and there's a hard right turn and a ramp to navigate round, and if I don't do it quite right I get stuck. So I need a bit of momentum, and I think I was just slightly too far to the left, and I was really gutted. Like I said, it's the first time I've sort of damaged my own car, so I'm sort of super gutted. And my mate who was going to paint it, he can't fit it in until the end of the month or the beginning of next month. And I have a car meet on Saturday the 22nd, so next weekend coming. So I'm going to have to attend with a damaged front bumper. So yes, with the T-Cut, I thought I'd see if I could get it out or make it look at least a little bit better. So I do try. So I went to my dad's house and had a little go, and that's my dad on the camera, by the way. But I don't know, it came out a bit, but of course it's too bad to get out fully with T-Cut. So anyway, that will be, well, I suppose at the end of the month or the beginning of next month. But with that said, I'll leave you to the video. I thought I would do a, I don't know, car vlog type thing. As you might have seen from the thumbnail, I bought my front bumper. It's a genuine aero front bumper, but it was in a lot worse shape than I thought when I bought it. It's what it's like buying second-hand stuff, unfortunately. So anyway, I had it repainted and tidied up for the meet that's coming up. And then in my garage, when I left my garage the other week, I came out and I scraped the front left part of the bumper. I'm so annoyed. Because the garage is really awkward, right? It's a single garage, a single look-up garage, underground, and sort of the open area of the garage is extremely tight. And to leave the garage, I've got to do it in a specific way as I leave the underground part, because there's a hard right turn, and then anyway, I got distracted. There's a really hard right turn and then a ramp, and if I don't do it the right way, I get stuck. So when I left my garage the other week, I accidentally scraped my bumper, and my friend, he can't paint it until the end of the month or the beginning of next month. So next week, the 22nd, I've got like a meet, and really gutted, man. I've got to go to the meet now with the front bumper slightly damaged. It's annoying, but I'm over it. I just got to be more careful next time, like, because otherwise, the thing is, when I leave the garage, there's like a drain area, and because it's a hard right turn, and my chassis and my suspension is so stiff that I think the inside wheel is lifting up slightly, I think, when I come out. So I think that's what the problem is. Plus there's the grill of the sort of the drain thing there. So, but tomorrow, I've got tomorrow off work because I'm going to a garage and I'm having my front wheels cambered a bit more, because I've got a fully adjustable suspension setup all round, and the rears are cambered a fair bit, because let's go around the slow people. Yeah, so the rear wheels are cambered to fit them into the arch, because they still rub a bit. I mean, the short video I did at the beginning, there's a part where you can hear the arch rub. So cool. So the rear wheels are cambered quite a bit to fit the 10-inch wheels and 255 tyres into the stock S15 arches. So I want to camber the front wheels a bit because I think it's going to look nicer. If I can, just slightly more than the rear, and I think that's going to look really tidy. But that's tomorrow, so I might do another update video on that. And but yeah, as you saw, I tried to tidy that front bumper, but I've got to go to the meet next Saturday with it like that. But anyway, it is what it is. And so next week, I'm going to probably try and put a video together of the meet, if all goes well. I think that would be quite cool. But I don't know, I suppose that's it from me. That's what I wanted to say. Channel update wise, I hope that the Beam AI races, I hope, you know, they're being received okay. It's a bit of fun. They take so long to do, because I have to record the environment in Beam, and then I have to record all of the angles, and it does take a long time, but I enjoy doing it. It's just sometimes it takes a while to do. And yep, so now we've finished race 5. Race 6 I think will be 80s, because I want to use some of these American cars, these old school American cars in Beam. I like to avoid using mods for this particular thing, because the environment recording gets all messed up. Like, it looks like some black sea urchin sometimes. Sometimes the mods, they yeah, it's really weird. So let's go. So that's that. Now that I've done race 5, I think it'd be fun to do perhaps maybe an SLRR video, or I wouldn't mind the next of LA Rush. I think that would be fun. Awesome. Oh, heel and toe, heel and toe. Right, this is probably going to end badly, but wait, don't see that. Traction test failed. Unfortunately, the road's very slippery. And I'm only doing the speed limit. Anyway, yeah, that's that. I suppose a bit of a channel update, bit of an S15 update, and hopefully we'll do another video tomorrow of the camber on the car. I'll maybe do it before and after. Don't forget to check out S15 on the rock on Instagram for the car. And if you're into gym stuff, try out Brett Vegetarian Lifts. Anyway, so with that said, I don't know, hope you had a good weekend, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.